In my conversations with CXOs, I often hear, we are adopting AI. But in reality, what they are doing is spending millions of dollars in tools. Spending in tools is not adoption. You can develop faster, test faster, deploy faster, but you can still move in circles. The unlock isn't the tool, it is a framework. Vanguard is not just about training or prompting, it is a framework that reminds us that structured thinking, unpacking of problems, and collaboration is the way to move forward. Many stakeholders say that AI native engineering is going to replace talent. AI native engineering is not about replacing talent, it's about structured intelligence. When every sprint, every release is delivered using AI, it compounds. The real challenge isn't scaling technology, it is scaling belief, it is scaling adoption to deliver predictable outcomes. And when all of this comes together, engineering becomes a competitive advantage, a strong differentiator to help you take the quantum leap.